Everyone, and welcome back to the Awesome Physio YouTube channel. Today we are continuing with our best of series, and we're going to be looking at our best strengthening exercises to help with jaw pain and tightness. So the first thing that I really want to mention about this is, now that we're adding in the strengthening videos, I always think it's really important initially to do the stretching and the mobility video that we've addressed already. You want to get the whole area relaxed and moving, and then you want to add the strengthening in after, once the pain's subsided and it feels a lot better, to re-stabilize and reset and hold the jaw and allow the jaw to work in its best position. What's really important though is, if you're suffering with pain and soreness and you've tried the other stuff and it's still lingering, is popping and seeing your dentist, making sure there's nothing going on actually with inside the mechanics of the jaw or around the teeth that might be impacting the pain before starting these strengthening exercises. So my first thing to do when we start off is, I always like to resist the jaw in certain movements, because what it allows you to do is you're moving the jaw to open up, which is great, rebalancing with that movement, but also you're targeting key muscles around that support the jaw in certain positions. So my first thing that I love to do is, when you're opening the jaw, is to add a little bit of resistance. So what you're going to do is, you're going to pop either your thumb or your hand, whichever side feels more comfortable. I normally use my thumb, underneath the jaw, and then what you're going to do for about 5 seconds is you're going to open the jaw and you're going to gently push down into the thumb, and you're going to resist your own movement. So like that, and then relax. So you want to hold it for a couple of seconds and relax. You can build this up over time, so you can add more resistance over time, you can hold it for longer, but initially adding about 10 to 20% of resistance and holding for about 5 seconds. So again, if I show you again, you're going to push down and then relax. And I would normally do that about 5 or 6 times. You're then going to go the opposite way, so you're going to want to try and close the mouth. So you're going to start with the mouth open, you're going to hook the hand over the chin. So quite a lot of us have a little bump here on the chin, and you're going to place the hand over, so you can either have a finger or hook over, and then what you're going to do is, you're going to have the mouth open to start with, and then you're going to try and shut the mouth. And so again, you want to add about 10 to 20% of resistance. Don't force it against your jaw, and we want to hold it for about 5 seconds on end range. So resist and then relax, and again, and then relax. And obviously doing this at home, you're going to look really funny when you're making all these faces. So maybe do it when no one else is there, but you're going to be resisting in the jaw movement. So again, if I show you once more, holding over, pushing up, and then relaxing. And then we need to have a look at that lateral deviation, so side to side deviation. So what we're going to do is, we'll have the jaw slightly open, we're going to shorten it to this side so it's slightly easier, and then you're going to resist again. It's the same as the other, so you want to have a flat hand. So we're going to open the mouth, slight push to one side, and then this hand's going to try and push the opposite way, and then relax. So again, you're holding that for about 5 seconds, so you don't want to force it over time. So showing you again, you're going to open the mouth, deviate a tiny bit to that side, so again, really subtle, and push that way. Good, and then relax. And again, aim between 5 to 10 times for that. You can build it up over time, so you can always think 5 when you start off with, so 5 reps, holding for 5 seconds, so building it up over time. Same on this side, so again, you're going to gently open the mouth, you're going to deviate slightly to this side, and then flat hand, you're going to push against it. Good, and then relax. So again, you're holding that for 5 seconds, and if I show you again, you're going to open, deviate slightly so it does look really funny, and then you're going to hold your hand, flat hand against it, and push that way. Good, and then relaxing there. And then the other thing that I really want to have a look at that you can start to do is add a little bit of reset into the neck. So this one always looks really funny, but it's really important if you're someone that has that really exaggerated anterior head carriage, which might be predisposing tightness through there. So again, a lot of us, working at a computer or on our phones, dropping the head forward, it's going to put pressure through here and pressure through the neck. We want to almost reset and hold in that position. So what we're going to do, and you are trying to make almost like a double chin, and you're trying to imagine you've got like one of those giant oranges underneath here that you're trying to fix into the neck. So start off always with good posture, so resetting through the shoulders, making sure they're lovely and relaxed. And again, imagine you've got something here, so you're not going to drop the chin down, you're going to bring it directly back, so back towards this way. You're going to hold for 5 seconds and then relax. And again, and these are called chin tucks as we're doing them. You're bringing it back for 5 seconds and then relax, and then once more and then relax. And then if I show you from the sides, again, resetting the shoulder, always good to start off in optimal posture, chin up in this level, and then you're going to bring it directly back. So you see you're holding, activating the posterior chain around the neck, so the cervicorectal spiny muscles, and then relax, and then again bring it back, and then relax. And again, you're just trying to strengthen all around this area, reset the neck and the jaw in the best optimal position, and then hopefully long term feel like you're a lot stronger and a lot more stable into the jaw.